All right, everybody, here's your video for today, and let's just make this the last video of the week. And I want to take a few moments and thank Guadalupe for all her hard work over the last week. She really worked hard, especially about a week or so ago, and did a lot already. She's ahead of a lot of you, so great job, Guadalupe. But anyways, I noticed Guadalupe was struggling with quadratics, multiplying, and factoring, and I thought I'd make a video, so hopefully this will help her as well as everybody else. So let's get started here. So what I did, I went on Khan Academy. I pretended I was you guys that are in IM2. Now, if you're in IM3, I also assign this to you, as you'll find out, because it's a good review. Okay, so, and I scrolled down a little bit. And right here, I noticed this is where Guadalupe kind of left a few of her work incomplete or whatever. I said, you know what? I'm going to help Guadalupe and the rest of you do this. So we're going to do quadratics, multiplying, and factoring. And as you can see here, I assigned this to all of you. It's due over 2 weeks from now, technically. Okay. And the reality, guys, this is only going to take you maybe 10 minutes at most to do. Okay? So as we're going to do this little quiz number 1, there's 5 questions in there. And let's start with the first question I got. We want a third degree. That means the power has to be a 3 power. That's what the degree means, the highest power. It has to be a binomial. This one has 2. This one has 3. That's no good. This one has 3 terms. These are both trinomials, right? Trinomials. Okay. So this has got to be the only answer. And they want the constant term. Remember, the constant term is a number at the end. So notice this one has a 3 power. There's only 2 terms. That's a binomial. And it has a numbered constant term at the end, 8. The correct answer is B, right? So I'm going to pick B. I'm going to get it right. Pause if you need to. But guys, you ought to know degree means the highest power in the expression, polynomial. Binomial means there's 2 of them. Trinomial would mean there's 3 of them. A constant is that number by itself without any variables at the end. All right, next question. Look how simple this is. They gave us what we call the area model, right? If we want the area of this rectangle, I'm just going to do 4 times 2x squared and get 8x squared. I'm going to do 4 times negative x and get negative 4x. My answer, I'm going to type in right down there, is 8x squared minus 4x. I'm going to click check, and I'm going to get it right. Next one. This one I'm going to set up, because some of you guys like to do it with a box or rectangle. So we're basically doing the area model we just did on the last one. I'm going to do 3b minus 4 down the side. And I'm going to do b plus 2 across the top. Each term gets its own row and column, right? Anyways, let's get going here. I know 3b times b is 3b squared. I know 3b times 2 is 6b. I know 3b times b, negative 4 times b is negative 4b. I know negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. So what's our final answer? 3b squared. Notice 6 and minus 4b together make a positive 2b. And finally, I have a minus 8. All they wanted you to do was multiply those binomials together, guys. And I'm going to click check. I got it right. All right, I'm going to do one more, and then you have to do the last one on your own. X times x, of course, is x squared. X times 2 is 2x. X times 4 is 4x. 4 times 2 is 8. So what am I going to type down here is x squared. 2 and 4x together is 6x. And of course I have that constant 8 at the end. And I'm going to click check and I'm going to get it right. Okay guys, so you're going to do one more like I did. And then you're going to get a congratulations. It's going to tell you certain skills that you've already leveled up on. You're going to click on done. And it's going to, of course, bring you back here. Hey, you could take the quiz again. Let's say you missed one or two. Take it again, see if you can't get 100%, right? And then, of course, remember, this is a normal setup in Khan Academy. If you're using a tablet or computer, you'll have all the videos down the left side. You'll have your practice and usually your tests or quizzes on the right side. If you have a phone, they're all going to be all in the same row, most likely. Okay? And what I decided to do is also assign you that unit test, guys. You guys already know this. I taught you this multiple times, okay? All you need to do is take a few minutes to do it in Khan Academy. Now, the test itself has 15 questions. That means you get more points and more credit. I also made it due on April 18th, over 2 weeks from now. And as you can see, if you're an IM2, IM3, you're actually up one section a little higher, I noticed. But here are the 2 new assignments I assigned. Again, they're due in over 2 weeks. Guys, try the area of sector problems if you haven't done them yet, by the way. And what else? Also, if you haven't done the complex numbers that we started on earlier this week, please do those as well. Okay? But again, watch my videos on the sector, struggle through it, figure it out. Yesterday, I think I did the one on complex numbers, right? Again, make sure you can do those well. Okay? And the other thing I want to remind you is you have no excuses, because if you've signed in, it'll send you in your email. This is your email. It'll send you notifications that, hey, you just got another assignment. And yes, again, I did assign you 2 more due April 18th. If they're repeating from what I've already signed, guys, you're going to get credit both ways. So don't think you're doing double work. Okay? It's all linked together on Khan Academy. But no excuses, guys. You're getting these notifications in the email. Okay? So hopefully this video helps you as well as the other ones. If you feel like you're a little bit behind, guys, don't stress out. Just go back to where you left off. Okay? Watch my videos. Practice the Khan Academy with me. Learn how to do it on the computer or on your phone really well. I'll see you around.